So I just got home from work. You kind of saw my little get home from work routine, and I think I kind of want to change out of work clothes, so let's go do this. If you're new to the channel or you haven't been here in a while, we've posted 3 videos in the last 3 weeks, and we're gonna keep that going. We're gonna be consistent in 2019, and I'm so excited to share all these awesome products that I have in store for you. So today we're talking about the Bose Sleepbuds. This is a new product I found out of necessity in my life. Have you guys ever been in that situation where you get home from work and you just kind of want to rest on the couch or maybe even actually take a nap, and then there's just loud noises, man? Like, let's say a pet from maybe your neighbor is barking or howling all the freaking time, or you get home and there's literally the laundry going, dishwashers going, or maybe even cars are outside honking or alarms are going off. This is literally like a weekly occurrence. I'm not even exaggerating. I was gonna say daily, I was about to say daily, but I said weekly, and it drives me nuts. So my wife and I are currently living in an apartment complex where we currently live on the 2nd floor, and luckily we actually don't have anyone below us, but we have people above us, and they are like elephants that drive us crazy. But besides that, anyone living in an apartment complex or even a house on a busy street, or even if you own your own cool office like MKPHD does, ask him, noises are annoying as heck, especially when you're trying to do work, or especially when you're trying to sleep. So I found these Bose Sleepbuds that are actually super cool. They're not earbuds for listening to music or watching videos or whatever. They are straight up earbuds for you to be able to sleep and drown out all that noise. Ooh. So what I found out about the Sleepbuds is that no matter where you are, whether you're trying to sleep on your living room floor, whether you're sleeping on your living room couch, in your bed, while you're camping, you're outside, wherever, these things are amazing. They really just drown out all the noise. You can either have it just be white noise, or you can have it play like a campfire or raindrops or a waterfall or even just calming music. And I say this because it has saved both my wife and I from going crazy. You literally don't feel them in your ear while you're sleeping. I had that big worry because I am a side sleeper, so I sleep like this or like this. And when I roll over onto my ears, I literally don't feel them in my ears. But this is also kind of one of the issues. So what I've noticed about these guys is, as comfy as they are and as much as I don't feel them in my ear, this could actually be a bad thing, because almost every single night, like literally 9 out of 10 nights, I'll wake up in the morning and I'll be searching for like 5 minutes to try to find the one earbud that I lost somewhere in my bed. And it doesn't help that they're white. I guess unless your sheets are dark. Mine are white. Now I wanted to talk about these today because they've been really useful for me for drowning out noise while sleeping, but also I found out they're just really helpful while working in general. And so that's why I wanted to recommend these to you guys. I want to get back to basics of when I used to do actual good product reviews and tell you if they're actually worth your money. I think a lot of people could benefit from these. These are the Bose Sleepbuds. They're pretty expensive. I'll be sure to drop a link below so you guys can check out pricing for yourself, because sometimes I've actually noticed that they do go on sale, so check that link often. But these are really, really worth it. They're in such a small, compact package. I love the case. It's a charging case. I love the rubber bottom, and it charges via micro USB, which is kind of a bummer. I definitely wish that was USB-C. And it also comes with a bunch of different ear tips so that you can find the perfect fit for you. And I gotta say, these things are awesome, even if you run out of battery, run out of juice, but you don't ever really need to worry about that because the battery life is insane. All in all, would I recommend this? Heck yes. These are the Bose Sleepbuds. Definitely check them out for yourself. They are expensive, as I said, but I think they're well worth it if you want a good night's sleep, or if you're one of those people that likes to go to Starbucks to study or do work, but you can't ever focus because it's so dang loud there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this more kind of vlog, kind of crazy moving around my apartment kind of style of video, instead of just sitting in one place shooting in one style. Let me know below, what do you think of today's shooting style, little vlog style? Let me know if you enjoyed it or if you totally hated it and want me to go back to just sitting in one place. Today's question of the day, oh, and I think I'm gonna try to start doing shout outs in the next video, so make sure to submit your question of the day below. Today's question of the day is, Jerry, where do you get all your cool shirts? Especially if people want to know where I got the IKEA one with the Nike logo. That's an awesome Instagram artist designer that I found just randomly browsing around. I'll try to link him below. He makes awesome t-shirts, and I picked this one up from him. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this suggestion. Hopefully you guys will try it out because it will change your life. My name's Jerry Land with NOBA Tech, and to the next one and beyond.